Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. First up, I just want to say Happy New Year. It's the year 2020 and thank you so much for all of you guys who have been following me consistently on the channel. I will definitely try to create videos with better content, just better quality, and yeah, please bear with me. I know some of you guys have been complaining about my English not being very perfect. Yeah, I'll try to work on that as well. Anyways, today I have something very interesting to share with you, and that is two very unique smartwatches. So as you know, I've done a lot of videos on the Amazfit smartwatches, and today is no different. I actually have two very special watches here. First up is the Amazfit GTR, and what's so special about this is that this is the Avengers version. So just check this out. This is the Iron Man edition for the Amazfit GTR. I'll do an unboxing and show it to you guys really quick. But the second one that I have here is also pretty cool. This is the Amazfit Stratos 3 and it is the Star Wars edition. So yep, very interesting stuff that we have right here, the start of the year. The GTR in the Iron Man edition as well as the Stratos 3 in the Star Wars edition. This is not going to be a review of both watches, but more of a first look on how these watches actually look. And yeah, I'm pretty excited right now because Iron Man is pretty much one of my favorite characters. And yeah, I'm not a huge fan of Star Wars. I don't really follow all the series, but I'm sure you guys will like this one. Alright, let's begin with the unboxing right away. Alright guys, so super excited. First up, let's try and unbox the Amazfit GTR right here. The packaging looks really cool. Let's try and unbox it right away. So I'm trying to cut this plastic off without damaging the box inside. And yep, we've got this really nice box here. Alright, are you guys ready to check out the Amazfit GTR? Whoa! What do we have here? Alright, I really got to bring this closer to the camera right here. So please pardon me if the audio is not the best right now because I'm just moving around a lot. Woo! What do we have here? This is Iron Man's heart, I think. The thing in the middle that powers Iron Man. Let me just show it to you really quick. So it says here, Iron Man, Tony Stark. Wow, and this actually feels pretty, it's definitely not very light. So I'm just going to put this back right here for a minute. And let's check out what else we have in the box. So let's move this aside. And whoa, guys. Oh my goodness, check this out, guys. Whoop! It's dropping out. Yep. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this. Look at this. Whoa. This looks really cool. I mean, I haven't seen an Amazfit GTR that looks like this. We have the sides in gold, the straps in red, and whoa, just look at that front. So, whew, wow. And of course, this is just a sticker. Look at what we have here. Alright, so I'm just going to put the watch down and check out if there's anything else in the box. First up, I must say that the box actually is of a different material right here. This is, I'm not sure what material this is, but it's very soft to touch. It is not like those standard kind of cardboard, you know, that you usually use. And of course, if you open it up, you'll get your standard cable, the cable for the charger. So this is how the charger looks like in the box. And yeah, alright, so let's put this aside for now because we want to check out the other one, the Star Wars Amazfit Stratos. So once again, just going to cut this off lightly and tear it apart. Okay, let's just put it there for now. And yep, quick look at the beautiful box that we have here. I really love the way the colors are like shining through the box. Really cool stuff. Alright, removing it once again. And let's see what we have in here. Whoa! Look at this, guys. We have Luke and Vader. So let me just try and remove it. Woo! Wow. Are you guys a Star Wars fan? Please let me know if you guys are a Star Wars fan or not. At the back we have this Star Wars logo. Again, sorry for the poor focusing that I have right there. Let me just see. Yep, Luke and Vader. So let me just put that back here for a minute. And let's see what we get beneath. And here you go, guys. Wow, this is the Star Wars version, Amazfit Stratos. Let me just bring it up closer for you guys to see. Whew. The packaging is very similar to the one with the Iron Man actually. So yeah, we also have this soft material for the box, but let's yank this out for now. And here you go. Yeah, it feels very light actually. This watch feels kind of like lighter than the Amazfit GTR. So yeah, let me just bring both of these watches back together. So first up, what you get in the box is this. So for the Iron Man version, you get this, I don't know what you call it, a little pendant, I guess, with the Iron Man's heart in the middle. And for the Star Wars Amazfit Stratos, you get this Luke and Vader kind of like plates. So let's put this down and take a closer look at the watch itself. Alright guys, so let me just put both watches side by side. So on my left, we have the Amazfit GTR, and on the right, the Amazfit Stratos 3. Just looking at it together, we have both very nice looking watches. Let me just put the Star Wars one down for a second. Alright, so let's first take a look at the Iron Man version. We have these really nice gold sides right here. It looks really cool. Also, we have two buttons at the side for the Amazfit GTR. The bands are actually rubber bands, so these are not leather. It is rubber bands. And at the back here, let me just unhook it for a minute. At the back, we have the sensors as always. Pretty nice stuff right there. And of course, we do have the Marvel letters written down here. Let me just try and put it onto my wrist. Alright, there you go. What do you think? I think it looks a bit too flashy for me. I'm not sure what you might think of this, but yeah, it fits perfectly on my wrist. So let me just remove it right now, and let's check out the Star Wars version. So I kind of like this color better, like the red and white combination. So okay, let me just remove it and show it to you guys clearer. So on the band here, it says Vader is my motivation, and train you must. Alright, I guess if you say so. So the top band is in red and the bottom part is in white. Let me see how it looks like on my wrist. There you go. Wow, I think this actually looks nicer than the GTR. I absolutely love the combo of red and white, and yeah, this is how it looks like. Which one do you guys prefer? Do you prefer the Stratos 3 in red and white, or the Iron Man version in red and gold? Let me know down in the comment section below, guys. Alright, I'm going to power this up so that I can show you guys quickly with the screen turned on. Let's go. Alright guys, now that I've got both watches powered up, let me just show you guys each one in detail. So I'm just going to put down the Star Wars version for a minute. And this is the GTR. So we have a very nice wallpaper right here. This is very similar to Tony Stark's heart, or the thing that powers him in the movies. So currently there is only one wallpaper in the watch, which is this particular one. You don't have any other Iron Man themed wallpapers. But yeah, let me just show you the watch in clearer detail. All around, we have this very nice bronze looking face. At the sides, it is in gold, and at the back, we have the same black back cover that is on all Amazfit GTRs. And yeah, so this is what you get if you decide to buy the Iron Man edition Amazfit GTR. And yep, this is the 47mm. Oh, I forgot to mention the price. This is actually about $200 here in China. So for $200, this is what you get for the Amazfit GTR. So let's put this down and get the Amazfit Stratos 3, the Star Wars edition. And here you actually get a couple of different wallpapers. So obviously the screen is a little bit dimmer because this is just a TFT display. It is an always on kind of display. But there are a couple of watch faces here. Let me just try and get them up. So there are a couple of different wallpapers here for the Star Wars edition. You can actually customize each one as well. There is just, as you can see, there is about 4 different Star Wars themed wallpaper, and you get the standard ones as well. So the one I like the most is this white face one right here, because I think it matches very well with the entire watch body. So as you can see, the little touches at the top here, the red strip as well as the white strip at the bottom right there. And yeah, this is how it looks like. So again, let me just put it up for you so you can see it very clearly. We have this nice rubber straps as well, and it is very light, very light, guys. So this is what you get at the back. One little detail that I rather like is this carbon fiber like look on the sides. So you get this all around, and we have these buttons here in silver, very nice to press. Yeah, if you're familiar with the Amazfit Stratos 3, then you would be familiar with this particular watch itself. So this is how it looks like, guys. Which do you guys prefer, the Amazfit GTR that costs about $200, or the Stratos 3 that costs about $245? Let me know down in the comment sections, guys. I'm sorry if there is this out of focus things keep going on because I brought the wrong lens to the office, and sorry about the audio as well, but I really hope you like this video because it is very exciting for me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!